Hi everyone, this is Panos from Inspection Services Group. As much as I hate to say it, winter is coming. And before we start having snow blizzards and ice and everything else we have in the winter in Ontario, it's time to do a maintenance check of our home. Through this video, I'm going to quickly take you through a few things that you should be checking out, starting from the exterior. Walk around your house, take a look at your gutters, see if there's any spikes that are loose. The weight of snow and ice will create much more damage. Look at your downspouts, make sure that all the clamps are there in place. Make sure your downspouts are all extended the way they're supposed to. 6 feet is always best, 3 feet where there's not too much space. If you have an AC cover, now is the time to cover it. Make sure your sump pump discharge pipe is unobstructed and everything set into place. Take a look at your shingles. Go around the house as much as you can see. Make sure that there's no shingles missing, because if there are, you are probably going to get some water penetration with ice and snow. Now is the time to turn off the shower valves for your exterior water supply valves. However many you have, make sure you turn them off and drain the lines. Go in your utility room, take a look all around your furnace. See if there's any water around the furnace. That's not a good sign. If your furnace is over 5-6 years old and you haven't done a maintenance yet, now is the time to do the maintenance. Take a look at your filter. Filters have to be replaced every 3 months or as manufacturers specify. Take a look at your humidifier. The pad inside the humidifier typically needs replacement every 2 years. And if you don't have time or you're not really sure about what you're looking for, just give us a call. We have a brand new service that we just launched. It's called Seasonal Maintenance Assessment, and we're going to come and take a look at all these things for you for only $169.